Hello everyone, welcome back. It's officially soup and stew weather. It's like cold, it's winter. We don't have any snow yet, which I'm a little bit disappointed, but it is dark, it is rainy, it's muggy, so there's nothing better for me, and the kids love this too, than a comforting soup or stew, or even a risotto. And the base for that, of course, besides veggies and protein, is a good veggie broth. So, or obviously if you're a meat eater, you can also use any other broth. But I make my own veggie broth from the scraps of the vegetables that I food prep. I don't make enough, so what I do is that I put it in a Ziploc bag, or not a Ziploc bag, a bag, and I put it in the freezer, and then when I have enough, that's when I will make a big batch of broth. In my broth, I will not put in beets, only because it will color it purple, and I don't want that. I want a fairly clear one. I also don't add kale, only because I have found it to make it a little bit bitter and also a little bit more green, and I don't want that. But if that's what you want and you don't mind, then by all means. And we're vegan, so obviously this is going to be a vegan broth. But if you do eat meat, you know, you can use the carcass of a chicken or turkey, you can use bones, you can use fish bones to make a beautiful broth too. So I always say, like, this is a budget-friendly way to reduce, first of all, food waste, because you're using up something that's a scrap that goes into the compost otherwise, as well as you're saving money. I know, I get it, like the broth doesn't cost a whole lot of money, but it does come packaged in something that's plastic, and it does cost money. So if you can do it, and it's not that hard, actually, this is really, really easy. And what I would do is, like, I would make a big batch of it, and I will freeze it in portion sizes in the freezer. So I will always have access to broth. Okay, let's get going on it. All right, here are my veggie scraps that I've been saving. I'm gonna show, and you can see a lot of that. So let's get going. So I have a pot of water. I'm gonna add all the scraps. Okay, and I'm gonna bring it to a boil. And then I'm gonna let it simmer for about 30 minutes. I add kombu. It makes a very mineral-rich broth. It has a little bit of saltiness, but also has a very nice flavor. But this is optional, but this is what I do. And then we're gonna add some salt. There we go. And now we're just gonna let it simmer. I will also add in at the end a little bit of lemon zest, if I have it, or lemon juice, just to brighten it a little bit. Again, this is optional, but let's get going on this. All right, I'm done. And look at that beautiful color of broth. I love it. And I have a lot of now broth ready for future soups and stews and other goodies that I'm gonna make. And that it is healthy. It is actually low in salt, flavorful, and package free and zero waste, and free, I should say. So I already paid for the vegetables, might as well use the scraps as well. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I will see you next year.